Hello everyone, welcome to my channel edusphere. In this video I would like to discuss about environmental studies. Okay, these all questions asked in MTET 2025 for LP section. Now question number 91, EVS at the primary stage of what? It is an integrated subject. So option A is your correct option. EVS addresses environmental issues by using the contents and methods of what? Social science, science and environmental education. Okay, so option A is your correct option. Now question number 93, which of the following is the correct description of environmental studies? It is a systematic study of natural and man-made environment and their interaction. So option A is your correct option. Now question number 94, why does NCF 2005 emphasize using local resources and example in teaching EVS? So here option which one? So option B is your correct option, to make learning relatable and context specific for studies. Now question number 95, why are group activities considered an effective method for teaching EVS? So option B is your correct option. They allow students to discuss, collaborate and solve real life environmental problems together. Now question number 96, a buzz group of a small group consisting of 3 to 6 persons who are given definite issues or problems and involved in what? It is your option A is your correct option, discussion. Okay, then question number 97, in a group activity an EVS teacher should what? It is option D is your correct option, ensure what? Cooperation and participation of all students. Next question number 98, which of the following is a limitation of project method for teaching learning EVS? Okay, so here option D is your correct option, project work is time consuming, okay, and many need more resources. Then question number 99, which of the following is the most appropriate tool for assigning students understanding during a field visit and EVS? So option B is your correct option here, observation checklist. The next question number 100, let's see what they ask here. They ask here, materials that enable teachers to collect data for chosen method of assignment are what? It is option A, assignment tool. 101 question, both the knowledge of a subject and communication skill can be evaluated what? Through your option which one? Option B is your correct option, oral technique. Now question number 102, a variety of assignment technique is what? Used because of what? It is option B, children have different personalities and learning preference. Now question number 103, rivers, lakes, soil, forest are what? Resources for learning teaching EVS. What type of learning teaching resources are these? It is your what? Option B, it is your what? Sources in nature. Then which one? 104, a teacher wants to explain the importance of water resources using local teaching resources. Which combination of resources would be most effective? So option A is your correct option, local maps, photographs of nearby rivers and field visit to the water resources. Next question number 105, let's see what they ask here. Relatively cheap and universally available resources are what? It is your newspaper. Option B is your correct option. Next 106, for a creative teacher waste material can be what? Option E, treasures of teaching learning materials. Okay, now question number 107, air is what? It is an inexhaustible natural resources. So option B is your correct option. Next 108, which of the following is not a method of improving air quality? So it is which one? Option D, burning coal and what? Energy production. Next 109, what the ask here, soil fertility can be preserved by what? It is your option D is your correct option, crop rotation. Then 110, what the ask here, the primary role of plants in the environment is what? It is your option E, producing oxygen and providing food. The next question number 111, let's see what they ask here. They ask here, which statement best explain the independence of plants and animals? So here what? Option B is your correct option, plants produce oxygen for animals while animals help in what? Pollination and seeds dispersal. Okay, the next question number 112, they ask here, food items which are rich in proteins are called what? Bodybuilding food. These food are what? It is your meat, beans, egg and fish. Then question number 13, which of the following meals is the most balanced and healthy? So which one? Option B, rice, dal, vegetables and fruits. The next question number 114, why are public properties important? So here which one? Option B, they serve the needs of all people in society. So next question number 115, what can you do to help protect public properties like parks and what? Mountains. So what it is? Option B is your correct option, avoid littering and what? Follow rules. So next which one? Question number 116, which of the following is not the cause of biodiversity loss? Which one? It is option C. Okay, the next which one? Question number 117, which of the following human activities has the most direct negative impact on biodiversity? Option D is your correct option here. Industrial development in forest areas. Next, 118 they asks, Garo Hills is warmer than Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills because it is located at what? It is your lower altitude. Next, question number 119. Which of the following is an example of air pollution? So option D is your correct option here. Okay, release of smoke from what? Factories. Next, question number 120. What they ask here? Which of the following statement is not the effect of noise pollution here? Which one? Option C. Okay, it contributes to global warming. Okay, thank you.